Hey everybody, Chris here. So what is Dogecoin's next move? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we've had some good news for Dogecoin, from ETFs to what's going on with X money. It just appears like that is coming. We're going to talk about that some more as well. We've been covering that as well during our live streams. Next live stream will be Thursday afternoon. So make sure you are subscribed and have all your notifications on. Make sure that you're ready to join in the live stream because we have a lot of fun with those. But in these videos, I give a little more compact information. So let's get to it. Let me show you the charts in the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart. We're just over 33 cents here. The volume has really ticked down since yesterday. Yes, yesterday we were watching price of Dogecoin as well as Bitcoin during the US Fed's FOMC meeting. And as I had predicted, there would be some volatility up and down. And we certainly did have a big drop when that interest rate pause was announced. And then price rocketed up, and then came back down and then back up again, just as predicted. Huge volume trading, and look, the volume has just ticked down. But Dogecoin's actually higher than where we started before FOMC. This is showing good support. We have Bitcoin now at $105,000. Bitcoin did the same thing, up and down action. And then last night we had Bitcoin coming up and now holding strong with higher support. Also, as a reminder, year to date and also month to date, as we are still in January, Dogecoin is up 4.8%. So those that are all down about Dogecoin, it's just like, wait, we're up almost 5% in the month of January, as well as year to date so far. Just a reminder, I will be giving my February price prediction in a video I'll be releasing Saturday, February 1st. So those asking, hey Chris, what do you think about February? How's Doge going to do? Wait for that video. That video will come out on Saturday. And we have had some good Februaries and then a few kind of medium or not so good. So got to see what's going on there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin volume surges. Yeah, that was because of yesterday's FOMC, right? We saw that big volume of trading, and now it's quieting down again. But will we see Bitcoin jump up to 110,000? And what about Dogecoin? Dogecoin support. That's right. That's what it's all about right now, is Dogecoin support, higher support levels, and will they hold? So Bitcoin, once again, gaining traction. And yeah, you get into all of these moving averages and such. But what will Bitcoin do now? Will it be able to get higher in support? And that's what has been driving a lot of the crypto market, again, has really been following Bitcoin. So with Dogecoin finding higher support, that is good. We can get up off of that 30.5, 31.5, and let's see if we can get new support higher, trying to get past the 50 EMA up at 35 cents. And then we'll start talking about the 40s. That's right. It will be possible to confirm a bullish reversal and pave the way for a move toward 40 cents if there was a successful breakout above 35. So that's what we're looking for short term. And here, Kev Capital's just saying, Dogecoin, just chilling, waiting for BTC to make its next big move. When that occurs, it will be explosive. So here we are, just sitting here waiting, just waiting, following Bitcoin again. Again, this has been support that has gone back for quite a while since we had that big November surge, and it's sideways action. And our friend Damien is saying, look back to 2021. We had a 74-day consolidation between January 28th and April 13th pumps. We are currently 79 days on this present consolidation. So this has happened before, and thanks, Damien, for putting this chart together. Good chart. Good job. This is good. We like this. Just looking at Dogecoin's history, and remember, God, things were just, if you were here in 2021, especially in late March, when there was just no volume after the big explosion we had the end of January and early February, everyone was really down on Doge. And then look what happened. This can happen at any time, and that's what we are watching for. Meanwhile, The kind of chop we are now seeing with Dogecoin, it's happened before. Yes, 2021 and even in early 2017. And what happened next? You can see for yourself. The 4-year crypto cycles have a habit of repeating. And Trader Allen shows these points of an initial surge and then chop. An initial surge and then chop. We've had our initial surge and here we are chopping. What is next? What is next? Of course, Ali has, his big predictions, right? Just still showing this overall upward channel going back to 2017, 2021's high. What will be 2025's high? Eric Balkunas, he reminds us the Bitwise Dogecoin ETF has officially filed. And when Eric is talking about this is big news. This takes Dogecoin into the mainstream. I mean, this is huge for Doge, for Bitwise. Yeah, we had the Rex Osprey one as well. And SEC most likely is going to lump them together, and we will be following and tracking along the approval process with the SEC for the Dogecoin ETFs. And again, in the live stream, we can talk again if you guys want to cover yet again the advantages, disadvantages of an ETF for Dogecoin. Don't mind talking about it. It is a big deal, though, and we are waiting for that next step. Meanwhile, we have X money. Is Dogecoin going to be on X? Well, right now, the first partnership is with Visa. Again, as I've said before, just to get X money started. I've always said, guys, Dogecoin is not going to be there on day one. Everybody's, oh, no, Dogecoin's going to drop. No, we already know that. The money transmitter licenses that X has applied for in the United States are for fiat. Digital assets will come later. So X money first, get it started, and then add in digital assets. Of course, XRP is all saying, well, it's going to be us. It's going to be XRP. And Elon has never talked about XRP. He's talked about Dogecoin. That's right. He's talked about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is what we are expecting. Here is Elon from just a little under a year ago.
You know what? Doge is the people's crypto, so I will support it. Because lots of rich people were supporting Bitcoin, but I was like, but the people in the line want me to support Doge, I will support Doge. You know what? Doge is the people's...
I mean, that's his last statement on crypto that he's made publicly, and it was supporting Dogecoin. That's what he says. And he doesn't even mention XLM, XRP, X whatever. Now, if you want to hedge, right, why don't you also have in your portfolio some XRP too? Have some Doge, have some XRP, and then whatever happens, you're covered. You can do that. That's okay. That's okay. The best place to get up-to-date information about Dogecoin is right here on X. And if X Money is going to add the ability to use crypto, you know that Doge will be at the front of the line. As Elon Musk said, Dogecoin is the people's currency. So, I mean, that's what I believe, and that's what I think is where we are headed. Again, it's a process. It's still going to take a little while, but all signs are good. Meanwhile, Dogecoin, it's poised for a 30% move. Is a breakout imminent? Again, as we've been seeing, we've got bullish momentum going. We are seeing higher lows. And with this consolidation, there are indications that a breakout is imminent. Doge has set up solid support levels. Growing purchasing pressure suggests the price may be about to rise. Dogecoin may go toward its next resistance level at 43 cents, which would be a 30% rise from its current range. So that's what the charts are pointing to. We'll get into more of this charting as we go along. We'll especially be looking at it on February 1st on Saturday, because everyone wants to know, what is Doge going to do in February? So we will be taking a look at that. Traders are also monitoring Bitcoin's movement, as a bullish Bitcoin often lifts sentiment across the altcoin market. And Aside from that, market sentiment, another aspect. I know some of you are still a little down, but 5% gain in January is a good start to 2025. Dogecoin and other speculative assets may draw traders due to their resilience, growing risk tolerance. However, Doge may find it difficult to maintain its surge if Bitcoin corrects. So again, still tied to Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin does a dip for one reason or another, Doge will probably follow it. It won't just be Dogecoin because of all of these other things we just talked about. The support is there for Doge. People aren't selling their Doge before a Dogecoin ETF starts. We're all waiting to see what happens with X money. That is all big for Doge. Now there's some people who have negative sentiment and just want to get out of Doge because it's not giving them a 10x or 100x immediate gratification. I get that. You want to go chase those meme tokens, and good luck with that. They haven't been doing very well. Every once in a while one breaks, and even then you get the fart coin or the Toshi that everyone's all excited about, and then it just starts falling off. But Dogecoin doesn't. Long term, Dogecoin doesn't. So Dogecoin's price forecast. The meme-based cryptocurrency has remained strongly associated with Elon Musk, profiting from widespread use by affiliated enterprise tied to Elon and his public backing. Yes, Dogecoin is still there, but we do see other signs of Dogecoin. A Dogecoin ETF is totally outside of Elon Musk. And that's what we'll be looking at. So here we go. It's like over the last 30 days, Dogecoin has had 16 out of 30 green days, and of course a plus 5% overall. We've had an uptick in price volatility. Yesterday certainly adds to that. But according to the Dogecoin forecast, this is an ideal time to buy Dogecoin. That's right. And again, not financial advice, but I'm just reporting what other people are saying as well. And here we have Doge. Doge is looking strong today. We will cover this again more in Thursday's afternoon live stream. And I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and typically a Sunday as well. A lot going on with Dogecoin. Make sure that you are subscribed. You've got all your notifications on. Leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you think about this growing support for Dogecoin, and what is Dogecoin's next move? And give the video a like. We'll see you next time.